it on any side, put it on any side. Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm out trying to find somewhere that I've never been before. And because guess what, I have an appointment for tomorrow and I don't know this place, the hospital. So I'm gonna try and find that place today so that when I am ready tomorrow, I'm not in any problem, because I have a very early morning appointment. So me and you guys, we will find the place together. Now, for all of you who have not yet subscribed to my channel, who is watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, give me a comment, and hit that subscription button. And don't forget to put on that post notification bell that you will be notified when I upload my next video. And also, please go and follow me on IG at charms_lifestyle, my business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deeja's Fashion District. Now let us get in our video. Now I'm at the bus stop waiting for the number 87 bus. Yes guys, I'm at the bus stop waiting for the number 87 bus. I don't know how long I will wait because I don't know. So guys, here I am again. I was at the bus stop waiting. But unfortunately, until this blessed moment, I have not seen a bus. So I have to leave that stop. And I'm heading to another area where I can get the bus. So I'm heading to the bus stop. As you guys can see, it's now near night. So in the meantime, stay tuned. It's a good little walk, but I decided that today I will be staying a while out on the road with you guys. And here comes the tram, guys. This is my main source of transportation. So guess what guys, I finally found the stop for the bus. So I am now waiting on the bus. Okay guys, so we are gonna go find that hospital together. The people charmed upon a wild goose chase tonight. You know say, I know you saw the bus come. I know you saw me I get the bus, you know. But they say the bus come there, and I ask so many people and them say yes, it come there. And eventually, I know you saw. So guess what? Anyway, the bus parked tonight, and then I go get it. Because I have to find the hospital, because I don't want them problem tomorrow morning when I go for my appointment. So here we still a go. What me I go do now? Me I go take back the tram again and go back where me I come from. Figure get the bus. Because me just ask somebody around this one, them go on the map. And the map tell we say me they are the wrong bus stop. Even though the bus stop has show me the number bus say it come there. So you know hear what me say. So we still are go find the bus. But can't even hold the car up and the people them see them me a video. You see over there so the line that to do the COVID test. We go to the restaurants and eat at the pharmacy. Yeah. Guys, guess what? My task has not been accomplished. Uno believe say until now me not find the hospital yet. All know me can't find which part the bus them park. Guys, it's night now and I'm out on the road. Yes. I know me not find where the bus park because guess what? Up here circle, the people them are send me round in and this not have nothing to do with the language. Yes. This don't have a thing to do with the language. Because I'll Google. What me say? I'll Google take me turn me in an idiot too. Because when me there at the bus stop, I had a doubt because there wasn't a chart to show that the time the bus will arrive. So even though the number is on the bus stop, there is not a chart to show that the time will the bus will arrive at that time. So I got help because my phone does not work good out of Wi-Fi. So there was this guy who came to the bus stop and I asked him and he said no. Even though the number is here, the bus don't park here. And guess what? He go on him phone go use Google. And when him Google it, guys, the bus, the Google tell him that it's not this stop. I which part me I come from, the same bus stop me I come from, and then me have to go back. And the bus I take 3 minutes to come. Yes? And me take the tram and me go back there. And would you believe say when me go back there no bus no go there. And they say the bus come. So guess what? Google trick me one more time again. Ask somebody else again and guess what? When me ask the last person when me go back at the bus stop there, he must send me go back where me I come from, so here guys. Me don't know how to go, but me I left it for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning when I have my appointment, 10 o'clock appointment, I make sure left me yard from 7 o'clock. Can't take me 3 hours to find it. So here guys, right now, I'm 2 minutes away from home. So when I say if you don't like that video here, just give me the thumbs up, give me the comment, give me the subscription, and guess what? Put on a post notification that when I upload, when I get the next one, because right now, I'm tired. My bed just a call me because guess what? Google tricked me one more time. Good night, guys. Happy people, good morning, good morning, good morning. My journey to find the hospital begins one more time, guys. So I'm on my way now to find the hospital, and I asked the train driver And the same place when we go yesterday, I went on the bus, and then him tell me say me have to go back. So me I go back there now to see what happen next. People, guess what? I finally find the bus stop. I finally, out of cold say, I all around. I finally find the bus stop, but guess what? At 20 stop, me have to travel, 20 stop before I come off of the bus. So, me not even know if me I go reach the hospital on time, but let's see what happen. So, in the meantime, I give you a short view around my surrounding for you to see what it looks like, okay? This is my view that I'm just giving you, just a small peek of what right here. This is the car where we get the big train. That's the car where we get the big train. Another day I will take you through there and further. Yes, but this is what my surrounding look like at the moment. I'm going, so I'm here at the bus stop. The bus will not come. I don't know from when I found the road. Why? I don't see the people that live at a place, they don't necessarily have to know it. Because guess what? The amount of rigmarole where the people them can go around in and finally after a storm there must be a calm. So stay tuned, guys. Pretty on any side. So guys, guess what? I finally found the hospital, and I don't know the sad part about it. Our hospital, I come already, I come at the hospital already because when we used to work with this lady and she took sick and was admitted, this was the same hospital they took her to. But is the number bus them change? I mean, never know the name of the hospital. Me they just take the bus because I was accompanied by someone and came here. So it's the same hospital, guys. You know, see the whole heap of stress when I go through to find somewhere where me already come. I come here already, man. Because they just changed the number bus. The number bus that I used to come here, it was number, I think it was a smaller number. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But it's not the same number that come here anymore. So that's the whole point of everything, guys. After I go through so much stress. So, hear what? They did not change the numbers on the bus stop. And that's the problem. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you like the video, you can just give me that thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and put on that post notification bell that when I upload a new video you will be notified. So guys, thank you once more for watching this video. So see you in my next video. Love you all, guys.